Hello and welcome to iIntelligence iTechnology. It is 21st August 2026, and these are the stories that matter today. South Korea Chips Fund picks South Korea plans chip windfall fund to back youth AI investment. What if Meta loses trial? Penalties may top $1.4 trillion, matching its market cap. Meta, which owns Facebook and Instagram, is being sued by a bipartisan coalition of states on allegations of deceiving the public and designing the apps to encourage compulsive use among young users. The enhanced games, tech steroid extravaganza, didn't pay off, as company posts $60 million loss. An effort to transform the world of sports through steroid use doesn't exactly seem to be bearing financial fruit. Their cities dropped flock surveillance cameras. They're still being watched. But that excitement was cut short only months later when lawmakers voted to approve a new vendor to install automated license plate readers, ALPRs, on the city's streets. Lawyers square off and fight over voice data used to train AI. Ross Kimberowski of Loewy and Loewy is representing the plaintiffs, a group of journalists, podcasters and audiobook narrators, in the proposed class action lawsuits. He said each of the defendants faces hundreds of millions of dollars in potential damages. Jason Kells joked that people should cool data centers with their pee, rather than potable water, but his suggestion is not completely ludicrous. Broadcom seeks more than $60 billion in latest AI dead deal. The numbers under discussion would potentially bring the total raise to as much as $100 billion, according to the report. Someone targeted security researchers using a fake crypto conference as a lure. A hacker pretending to work for a leading cryptocurrency news website targeted several cybersecurity professionals using Google Docs as a way to deliver malware. Anthropic plans to change enterprise data retention policy. Under the changes to the data retention policy, Anthropic will still require business customers to retain data for 30 days but will give them the option to keep it on their own cloud computing infrastructure, the source said. Mark buys a castle. Mark Zuckerberg just bought a cozy abode somewhat close to Meta's international headquarters in Ireland. NVIDIA denies report it is rolling out China AI chip by year-end. The reporting in the information on NVIDIA's LPU is incorrect. We have no LPU sales in the China market today, and no China-specific LPU product in our roadmap, an NVIDIA spokesperson said. Google gives publishers a new way to fight AI-driven traffic losses. Google is giving publishers a new button that lets readers make them a preferred source across Search, Discover, and Google News, potentially boosting their traffic as AI search sends fewer clicks to the web. Ex-Google engineer's conviction for stealing AI secrets partially overturned. District Court Judge Vince Chhabria in San Francisco ruled there was insufficient evidence Ding intended or knew his conduct would benefit the government of China, a requirement to convict him on 7 counts of economic espionage. Chhabria said evidence supported the guilty verdict on the theft of trade secrets. Runlayer, Rippling drop lawsuits, but the brouhaha is still a cautionary tale for founders. Runlayer and Rippling have dropped their lawsuits. No money was paid. Rippling celebrated by releasing a competing product. Kakao to spin off chat app-based platform business into Kakao AI, relist in 2027. The company expects the new entity to relist on the Korea Exchange on 27 January 2027. Following a planned 1st January split. Castelion hits $13 billion valuation to mass-produce hypersonic missiles. Founded in 2022, Castelion set out to manufacture hypersonic weapon systems at a lower cost and at faster speeds than traditional defense primes. Samsung Electronics to convene board meeting Friday to discuss shareholder return plan. South Korea's Money Today reported on Thursday that the company is set to announce a new shareholder return policy later this month worth more than $100 trillion, $71.75 billion. LinkedIn's smart calendar is built to run a household, not just track a schedule. LinkedIn's smart digital calendar stands out for not putting its features behind a paywall, including an AI meal planner tool. That is all for this bulletin from iIntelligence iTechnology. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.